Hi all, my name is Kushagra Solanki and I'm a network analyst working in a firm based in Hyderabad. To all the guys out there who are willing to pursue their career, I would recommend them to join Lips Academy and especially Ravi sir. If you don't have any knowledge about networking, it doesn't matter because every session will be focusing on the basics and then to the advanced level. The second thing is the practice questions which will be given to you after each session. It will actually help you to improve your analytical skills. It will force you to think about stuff more, and it will help you to understand things more in a more better way. The finally you'll have some real-time experience. With network like firewalls, load balancers, what actually they look like, what they do. So yeah, I would recommend all you to join Lips Academy. It will help you in your professional life. It is helping me, and I'm very thankful to Ravi sir for sharing his knowledge with me and the rest of the guys because it's helping us a lot. So all the best to you, and yeah.